Creating and managing custom audience and lookalike audience on Facebook can be tedious and time consuming. Imagine this. Let's just say you have a list of 100 good customers and you uploaded that list onto Facebook. And you use that list to create a lookalike audience, and based on that lookalike audience, you start to create your own campaign. As time passes, you get more and more good customers. What you have to do then is now go back to Facebook and upload only the new customers into that same list. You have to constantly update that list. Now, what if that good customer that you have uploaded turned out to be a bad customer? Again, you have to go back to Facebook and look for that exact customers and remove that customer from your list. This constant exercise can be very, very time consuming. We have an easier solution for you. So the minute you upload a list of customer into Peasy, Peasy would automatically create multiple custom audience lists and multiple lookalike audience lists. It would automatically segregate the customer based on status. For example, segregate them for all the qualified customer, all the disqualified customer, all the won customers. And if that segment have more than 100 matching profile, Peasy would automatically create a custom audience for that list and also automatically create a lookalike for that particular custom audience, right? Whenever that customer status changes, for example, this customer has been changed from qualified to disqualified, Peasy would automatically remove this name, this number from the qualified custom audience and qualified lookalike audience and add this number into the disqualified custom audience and disqualified audience. All this happens automatically without requiring you to manually adjust this thing in Facebook. Automatically synced by Peasy. Now, by default, Peasy create custom audience based on statuses and create lookalike audience based on statuses as well. But suppose you want to create a much more segregated audience, audience maybe based on some additional dimension. You can do so by clicking on this list here. This list will show all the custom audience and all the lookalike audience created by Peasy, and it will show the number of customers matching this profile. So if you want to create your own rules, all you have to do is to go into this screen, and we have a beautiful rule engine that you can use to create your own list. For example, I can add rules based on, for this particular user, based on certain criteria, and I can check the number of leads that matches this criteria. If I click create, automatically Peasy would then create this custom audience in Facebook segregated by status. So we'll create one custom audience based on this that is qualified, one that is based on one based on disqualified, one based on reach. And based on each and every segregated status, it will create the corresponding lookalike audience. Now, how do we use that lookalike audience? Suppose today you create a new lead generation campaign and your target is to achieve 60,000 leads. And our AI determined, in order to achieve 60,000 leads, the minimum required population size is 6 million. Then our AI would automatically pick which is the best lookalike audience to use. For example, if the required amount is 6 million, and it will automatically choose this 6 audience. But let's just say if the AI determined the minimum required amount is merely 3 million, it will only select this 3. Why? Because a lookalike audience based on one status, your one customer, is obviously better than a lookalike based on your negotiating customers. The chances of this person buying is higher than this. So it will first use the one of lookalike 0 to 10, which has the highest similarity with your existing customers, followed by 11 to 20, which have lower probability, and so forth and so forth and so forth. So this is automatically created. So we automatically pick the audiences with the highest purchase probability.